It's another exciting day on this wonderful platform. This year, near Dinkomo, and so at media fast, 7 man, and so we call our Ghanaian football. Kumasi San got to call South Africa. Kumasi San got to call our South Africa, Mohe, Senoma, and so between Yakuya and Matime and Kumasi San to call. And then Medica Catcher was aside Toyota Kappa, Kumasi San got to call Ekwakobo with Kaiser Chiefs, one game that had a lot of positives, maybe Kumasi San to call. A lot of positives. I'm highly informed say contemporary affair in an apinkra kwa okobino was not the fact that opeso okwe kumasi asane kotoko bom kwa kobo and administrator openia efena koto so kwa okobino. It was not that they want to go and visit South Africa, they want to go and watch kumasi asane kotoko team no for musi akanemo. They went to network, they went for connections, they went to learn a thing or two from South Africa for marketing in terms of football. You see, they have a lot of ways or more exotic sponsors. If you look at Mamelodi Sundowns more, or share Kaiser Chiefs more, or other teams or more South Africa, they have a lot of sponsors and so on. But moment team Miska direct, not ABR, the South African FA or somebody giving them money. Or Mwankasa internally, they are able to generate a lot of money for Mwankasa. So they went there purposely to learn a thing or two from South Africa for no. Kaiser Chiefs for Nankasa no. They have a lot of sponsors, a lot of them. Bako any Toyota for now more and so organize Toyota car park, so they have a lot of sponsors, Super Sport and so sponsor Mwankasa. So they have a lot of sponsors. These are sponsors that I want to mention few. Because I went to their website and I went through almost sponsors. They have a lot of them. So what you say? So open your phone akoto any contemporary affair in an app in Krakow, not to just go for the fanfare, go there because they want to visit South Africa. They went there purposely to get a lot of things done. Now Kumasi Sanukotoko will probably get one or two sponsors. Medical catcher was a non-one interview where Safo Jamfi said, we know, and no be able to Kumasi Sanukotoko. Born now Kotoko Kwakobono, a bed boa navi off the pitch and so at Timia Boa when he was saying, he said, hey, Bimpoa. And I said, he is someone very close to where the IMC. Unofficially, I can say he's a member of the IMC because each and every single time I almost actively involved, and they should tell you say one of the people I say the IMC hold him in high esteem, and I idea no man and so to me ko yepa and to can say why the name say Toyota Ghana and so bit instruction for maybe a Toyota South Africa say or sponsor Kumasi or something. So they went there purposely to make sure that they are getting a lot of things done. They are getting a lot of sponsors for Team FN Kumasi and no any said and seminal and so you see Kwame Homes and seminal anymore and so and I'm told it's not something that more down. They've started and they are hitting the ground running. They are making sure say the reason why they went, they will probably make sure say they are looking at every single direction ebetimi abo Kumasi Asante Kotoko in terms o metimi anya sika edabo team ne ho bra na no da bi o mo de MTN FA Cup no ko kire kura no o te se opania ono enso bedi ne djuma bie ede ma team FA ne Kumasi Asante Kotoko mre bi a eno enso atwam Herbert Mensah opani no edi nkomo se ni kwan se kura ne yisika de bo Kumasi Asante Kotoko ho bra se team na nkasa team nya sika ede bo no ho bra na eno ankasa ho tumi tia ne ho ase yes say my so ane akọ krura ho ne akọji sika da bi. That was what opening friend Herbert Mensah catch Kumasi Asante Kotoko company for no, and they've taken that in good faith and they are working towards making sure say Kumasi Asante Kotoko bobuko no and so achieve that. In South Africa no a opportunity are presenting and whatever Kumasi Asante Kotoko company for no to make sure say they will deal with Sadia no vehemently and make sure say they do things the right way. They will get sponsors, they will come and help Team FN Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So contemporary affair hine any akoto ko South Africa ni bi no enye ball no mo kwa akohwe enye South Africa no mo kwa akohwe ne mom omo kwa akoye adwuma ameki sure se Kumasi Asante Kotoko benya mfaso enso wo South Africa ko no mo ko ye no enye ya bom from asa aba da bi enye sa de ni bi omo ko na wadi bakwa ko meki sure se enyoma no enso etimi ekoye Kumasi Asante Kotoko players no enso efili the South African vibe they are enjoying omo enso ho e South Africa omo start omo kwa akoye training for the first time Kumasi Asante Kotoko koye no ye ne na omo kwa akoye training na inya training no update e be he e dey abrel but the first time omo enso kwa akoye training to make sure say omo enso etimi keep omo self in shape making sure say one or two be enso ekoko so e dey match me e fe no Kumasi Asante Kotoko ntia no enso the players ne side some of them na me ma video na team no enso initiation for the new players omo di asane ade and medical some of these things be on shada mu you may ask yourself say we cry for so many also but the truth of the matter is a lot of things ekoso football clubs in we mu binu timi yi pressure timi tension enso timi the free boys in so and it makes them understand and it brings about team bonding and a whole lot of things and so to because our teams. So I'm happy and I said say whoever introduced her for my Kumasi and Kotoko very good because this is the first time I've seen some of it kind. Say what the players or my signing or yes I know money me hubi so my be na me who they are fine but this was the first time I saw in so many years. Minka for the first time cry because me hubi that but that I saw it and I commend Kumasi and Kotoko the communication guys for them doing that kind of job and in fact they are really working hard. If you look at some of their graphics, if you look at their videos, and if you look at how vibrant was social media and as well, I think that they are doing a great job. I remember so we are not so Kotoko South Africa boys never go training. No making sure say no money now and so team and so team ho. A branch of Patrick Asienu camp and you're happy with position now. Open your friend Karim Zito and so team media man. Over Kai say catch was a Karim Zito a catch open here. And I say, I friend Patrick Asidu say he's going to operate as right a year winger. Next, we both from a year 7 ho. So what you know they are cutting a whole NOI and so they are branching in a game against a year House of Folk in the President Cup. No, a branching the ball and far. None one that could benap Patrick Asidu ball and far. But when we call 3 no, yeah, they are fire. It will be who Patrick Asidu more than or no enso timi dan na de ntine camp no enye happy because that position angasa na me ntimi mo nipa ko ndi me ntimi mo amanfo di but when you say nipa be miensa aka kire coach Karim Dito say that position is not a player that be boy no e won say left back sabade but a branch in the primary position a left back even say be also the be 11 kra na say obo e bia Francis Akwa and say obo Joseph Amoa na obo no wo manimu a I know crab it me abo because and the line now so you overlap any idea so probably obet me when what me abo but say we operate from that right wing ho no I be cut in say the OC penny there I think that empanifo bi di kan kasa akere no and I'm hoping obetie no watimi ate abranche nas because abranche ne camp enye very happy with that happenings no but me di kan kan say ni nkrofo na ntimi ankasam no omotena ye hwe ha ma ye ne saa na say wo ntimi amobo na the next players at Kotoko will decide to leave them. Probably he will be part of them because Kotoko they don't have room to wait for players to adapt to systems and other stuffs. And Kotoko offer players, but say you know Adams or ball left, Philip Amobo left. So that position currently it won't be a playmakers, it be a number 10s near the other, but he'll be competing with them on that position. And so when to me and more said your boy edit has of folk no, when to me and more sort of body tia benabna, they'll be thinking say Sanko Funi Bimebo. Now Sanko Funi Bimebo. Then he will be relegated to the bench. And that will bring about him probably leaving Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Somebody will now told Karim Dito point blank say, for that position, he is not interested as a central midfielder of a defensive midfielder because he is a defender. He is a defender by trade. So probably no more a day for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. They need a player who can sit as a deep line playmaker and as a number 6 to make sure he will be able to sit in for that position, but not a position that Obe Father and say I'm a number 6. He enjoys playing as a center back, and I think Patrick Asidu should be bold enough. No one can be coach Karim Dito. We nye nim tiabu, we nye disrespect biya. Ye the old number biya ompe. So be bold enough to tell people say, "Adi amudi ye mini be amudi mina media." I'm not okay with it. Nti be ya kama me ko be position. We onye bone. Nti nkrofo ne mpanifo na nye ho. And they need to make sure say omo communicate e de a kire mpanifo. Nya sa e be hardwin. Yes. nye se be ha adwen nti no eno ne nkomo a matimi abo ma ball South Africa nkomo kakra na ma ball Ghana nkomo kakra ebe koso no afi 76 a yatimi e dia toto tumanim na mo nso matimi hu se man enso si ko kindly subscribe to the channel with notification bell no so se be ya update ni ba each and every single time on se be kan watimi hu de ya na man enso si ko kwi okko Benjamin Jamfiri mi den watimi from Ricardo ba se be san share bi until then I'm out.